In this video, I'll show you how to enable your webcam and microphone in Google Chrome. So if your microphone or your webcam is not working, it could be due to the browser settings. So to fix this, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click on Settings. In the left navigation, scroll over to Privacy and Security, then scroll down and click on Site Settings. Scroll down again and click on Microphone. Make sure this is set to Sites Can Ask to use your microphone. Click on the drop down arrow and go and select your microphone from this list. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see this list that shows the sites that are allowed and disallowed to use your microphone. So if you have any websites here that are currently blocked, then you may need to remove these before you can use your mic. Now you'll also need to do the same for your webcam as well. So if I come back over to camera, we're going to do the same thing by selecting our webcam from this drop down arrow. Make sure Sites Can Ask to use your camera, and then just go and check the website list at the bottom of this page. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.